My name is Brian. My role is Kansas intern.
My name is Kenzi, and I'm a key account manager, team manager for ASEAN region.
Today we'll have the ultimate battle between the associate and the intern. So let's see which one of you can tackle Excel problems better and faster. So here's how the challenge will go. Each of you will be given the same data set and task. Whoever finishes the task first will be the winner. However, your answers will have to be accurate for the task to be considered done. There will be a total of 3 tasks in increasing level of complexity. So task 1 will be worth 1 point, task 2 2 points, and task 3 3 points. When you are done with the task, you can squeeze the chicken in front of you from the bottom and we will check your answer. So if both of you cannot solve the question within 10 minutes, the closest one to the answer wins. Okay, you have 10 minutes for task 1 and your time starts now.
Oh my god, I think I failed already. Oh my god. Sensei, can you give me some help?
Huh? Cannot lah.
No! No, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just got it. Oh my god.
Okay, so this one, obviously, we have Kevin as the winner.
Hey, it's not VLOOKUP lah.
It is. Oh. Oh yeah, you're right.
Sum everything together.
Some ifs. Some ifs. And some if else is what? Criterion 1. Oh, but you already split the thing. Oh yeah, I was spending half the time to split. Okay. Well, with age comes wisdom, and now I'll beat you in round 2.
So time starts now.
Oh my god, I'm a genius. I never even used this before. Oh my god. Can I squeeze it now? Okay, I squeeze it.
At Brian's side, it probably only has 2 points.
Huh?
Kelvin has it completely correct.
Then you adjust this to make the bar thick or thin. Oh. Then you never follow the instruction. Insert your chart here, round 2. See, follow instruction then.
Sorry.
And your time starts now.
I lost. Yeah.
Yay! Task 1. Kansas is not entirely correct, but he is closer to the answer than Brian. Task 2. Kansas is entirely correct. Task 3, Kansas is correct.
I didn't even start.
For round 3, Kansas has all 3 points.
Yay!
So good job to Brian for trying.
Thank you. Yay! Thanks.
A lot of meetings, a lot of coordination with the region people. and a lot of analysis on Excel files. It was nerve-wracking because it seems like you're solving some mathematics problems, but managed to pull through. Thank you. I do encounter challenge. Well, I go back to basic with the very traditional method of solving Excel problem with the traditional formulas. So back to basic. You don't learn this in schools. Technically, you learn this through your work experience. Along the ways, then, yeah, ask Mr. Google or attend Excel classes. Yes, it is. It improves my productivity. It's ever more important for now, with emphasis on productivity and getting things done in a shorter time. Be patient, your time will come.
Why it sounds so horrible? I think it showcased a lot of my flaws, I guess. Yeah, it's a good thing to show how trash I am at Excel still. Before this internship, I never touched Excel in my life. So I don't know like any pivot tables or anything, but during this internship I had a lot of opportunities because all the data I work with is in Excel. So they basically use Excel as a database to calculate everything and stuff like that. So I utilize Excel a lot, but I feel it's in very like confined area. So there are some stuff that I still haven't explored yet. Yeah, all the tips and tricks are from my boss. So the first challenge, I think you have to split the codes from the numbers and the dash, the middle part and the dash again. So that part I learned from my boss. There's this like text wrap or something like that. As in, that's not exactly what he teach me, but after that I went to figure out some more, then I realized you could do that. He's a great mentor. Anyone who's looking for a good manager or CEO, I think it's a good candidate. This is my endorsement to Kenzo, my boss.
You look like some like magician without that golden orb.
It's a tesseract. Actually, it is quite nice. Like a Bosch.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.